Hi all. So today we are going to discuss about one mutual fund which has given 80% return in the last 3 to 4 months, means during this bull market which has started since March and till now it's continues. So that mutual fund is actually the Edelweiss US Technology Fund. Actually they had launched their NFO new fund offer on 22nd of Feb, means in the last week of Feb. So this was the time when global markets were falling like anything. So they launched it at that time, means they started investing in the mid March, means when the global markets were at the means bottom. So this is the mutual fund which has given 80% return over last means 3 to 4 months. So I think this is the best performing mutual fund in India. So as per me, there is no other mutual fund which has given the returns like this. So you can invest in this. Let me just show you how we invested in this. So its NFO was launched in 22nd of Feb. So we invested some money in the NFO and then we started to invest in this. And then later when we came to know that the US market is going to fire up, because so if you look at this post here, we have means clearly mentioned that means US market is going to fire up and then after that India will also fire up. So we invested big amount at this point of time, and this was the time 22nd of March. So if you check even on the Google or anywhere, the global markets were at the bottom, means if you had invested in the any share at this point, you would have earned the good profit. So at this point we invested big amount in this mutual fund. So and later means actually we don't follow the SIP rule, but whenever Nasdaq falls we continue to invest in this. So in this way we are investing in this fund, and this fund has given very good returns. So these are all the funds you can check, means what was happening at that time. So this was really means worth very means memorable days, very good days. So if you are looking to invest in USA, so this is one of the good option you can check for. Actually this is very good option. You just have to type on Google Edelweiss US Technology Fund and you will get it. So here is the fund, you can check. Its low was made this is the NFO when it was launched. Its price was 10 rupees. So this was the price when it was launched. This was around 10 rupees, and then later when on 22nd, I think in the first week of April, it made low which was around 8 rupees. So from 8 rupees, if you calculate return till this time, so that becomes almost 80% return. Now if it goes to means another few percent and becomes 60, then you have just doubled your money from mutual fund and just within 3 to 4 months time frame. So it's very difficult that mutual funds are giving such returns, but yes, if you select the right mutual fund at right time, you can definitely get such returns. So if you are looking to invest in USA, so this is the good option. You can start investing with as low as 500 rupees per month. So that would be the better thing. If you want to invest more, you can definitely invest. Okay, thank you.